This is Wendy with the Chugach National Forest Avalanche Center and a quick video tutorial about the updates that we've just made on our Turnagain Area Avalanche Advisory page. Here's the page right here, archived because it's from Friday, 2 days ago. The first change we've made is moved the bottom line to the top. Please read the bottom line. It will give you essential details on avalanches for the day. Underneath the bottom line is the avalanche danger for the day. And this is broken up into the alpine, tree line, and below tree line elevation bands. Please note you can always click this little plus here and it will give you all the definitions of the different dangers in the North American danger scale. Underneath the avalanche danger for the day are any pertinent special announcements we might have, and then under that are really the big changes, and that is the nuts and bolts of the forecast, which is what kind of avalanches should you expect. 2 days ago, we had persistent slab avalanches. If you click the icon right there, it will give you the definition of a persistent slab avalanche. You may note that this is a different icon that we have been using. We are transitioning to these new icons because that is what is mostly used in the United States. We're adding a chance bar graph here and a size bar graph. What this means is chance of you triggering an avalanche. 2 days ago, it was likely, and if you were to trigger an avalanche, how big will it be? In this case, small to large. Note that large means big enough to bury, injure, or kill a person. So that can give you a quick glance. What kind of avalanche? How likely am I to trigger it? And if I do trigger it, how big is it going to be? Underneath that is what we've had for years now, is a discussion on what we're seeing, videos, and photos. If there are more than one avalanche problems, they will be below. So here, 2 days ago, we had a second avalanche problem, deep persistent slabs. They're possible to trigger, but if you do trigger one, it will be large or very large. This is becoming one of those low probability, high consequence situations. And once again, you can click on the icon for a definition of what a deep persistent slab avalanche is. I'd also like to mention there's a little I here next to the Avalanche Problems, and if you click the I, it will bring you to avalanche.org, which gives you a lot of information on the 9 different types of avalanche problems. If we go back to the advisory, underneath the problems is what we've had, just the mountain weather, and then our 24-hour weather tables, and underneath that are riding area updates. So thanks for listening. If you have any comments or suggestions regarding the changes that we have made to our advisory page, please let us know, and have a safe week out there.